Welcome to ALD Thermal Treatment. Our vacuum technology is what separates us from the rest of the heat treat community. Our parent, ALD Vacuum Technology of Hanau, Germany, has a long and rich tradition in the design and implementation of equipment and the creation of the process technologies to support that cutting-edge vacuum processing equipment. Our technology is truly a green process. We utilize safe and environmentally friendly processes and even capture and reuse our helium from quenches. No process effluent flows to a drain, and very little gas escapes into the atmosphere. With cool wall construction and electric heating, our technology is robust and designed to be friendly to the environment where we live and work. ALD Thermal Treatment is committed to operating in an environmentally responsible manner. We believe that sound safety and environmental practices benefit our employees, customers, vendors, contractors, and our community by contributing to the overall well-being of our environment and the safety of our guests. When visiting ALD Thermal Treatment, there are a few procedures that must be followed. You must sign in and out at the reception area, obtain and wear a visitor contractor badge, review the ALD Safety and Environmental Communication brochure, and keep it for your reference. Please note, smoking is only allowed in designated areas. Please ask an ALD representative before lighting up. When visiting or performing a service for ALD, there are certain guidelines that must be adhered to. Safety is paramount in our facilities. Visitors must wear safety glasses in the plant. Be alert for all moving equipment, workers, and industrial vehicles such as forklifts or straddle trucks. Employees and contractors must wear all necessary personal protective equipment as required in designated areas and for the work being performed. MIOSHA rules or regulations must be followed, such as lockout, tagout, and fall protection. Always use approved gloves. Never handle any product without gloves. Not only are gloves a necessary part of your personal protection equipment, without them, bare hands may cause rust on the product, which may cause scrap. Always err on the safe side, and be aware of your surroundings. Never walk behind machinery, as most are automatic and may move at any time. Your ALD representative will inform you of where it is safe to walk while in the facility. ALD requests that all hazardous materials brought into our facilities are clearly identified and are handled in accordance with all regulations and safety standards and practices. ALD requests that all hazardous materials brought into our facility are disposed of or removed by the persons bringing them into the facility in accordance with all local, state, and federal regulations. When bringing in materials that requires a MSDS or SDS, please provide a copy to the management team. We actively support all safety and environmental efforts. ALD will comply with all federal, state, and local environmental legislation and regulatory requirements of our customer and others to which we subscribe. Please use the appropriate recycling bins for all waste paper, cardboard, plastic, light bulbs, and batteries. Dumping of chemicals into drains or into the environment is prohibited. If there is a spill of any material either observed by you or caused by you, please notify an ALD employee immediately, and it will be cleaned and disposed of in the appropriate manner. ALD strives to minimize electrical usage at the facility and requests visitors help reduce usage where and when practical. In the case of an emergency, use any phone in the building. Dial 9 for an outside line, then dial 911. ALD is located less than 4 miles from McLaren Port Huron Hospital. We utilize Port Huron McLaren Hospital for all of our medical emergencies. ALD also has employees trained in CPR first aid who may volunteer to assist as we wait for professional emergency services. Fire evacuation routes are posted throughout our facilities. Please note the location of these postings during your visit. In case of fire, please evacuate the building through any of the doors on the west side of the building and gather at the west end of the parking lot where marked. Signing into the visitor's log will ensure that you are safely out of the building and accounted for. When severe weather is within the surrounding areas, there will be an announcement over the PA system giving everyone the instruction to take cover. The take cover areas are located in the facility's restrooms. We hope that your time at ALD will be an enjoyable and safe visit. We take great pride in maintaining a world-class manufacturing organization with our safety, 5S, and EMS programs. We cannot be truly successful if we do not communicate our requirements to all of our visitors, and we appreciate everyone's help in supporting our high standards. If you have any questions during your visit, please do not hesitate to ask an ALD representative.